All of us in the test kitchen got together this past week to go over some recipes that we thought would be great to share in the weeks to come. So we came up with a brisket that is dressed to impress. And what makes it so weekday simple is that we make it in a slow cooker. We begin by putting some cut up onions, potatoes, and carrots into a slow cooker. Now, on top of that, we put a 2 to 3 pound brisket that we season with a bit of salt and pepper. Now for the sauce that'll give it all its flavor, we mix together some tomato sauce, Worcestershire, brown sugar, and some brewed black coffee. And we pour that on top. I know what you're thinking. Coffee? Really? Yeah, it's a natural meat tenderizer and it adds a richness to the sauce. Now, we cover it and we set the slow cooker to low and head off to do whatever we need to do. By the time dinner rolls around, all the work is done. Just slice it and drizzle it with the sauce. That, paired with the veggies that cooked with it, makes it a perfect anytime meal without all the traditional holiday prep. You gotta go online and get the recipe for slow cooker brisket so you can make this hearty one pot whenever you want. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where every day we're looking for more convenient ways for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."